Marstek Jupiter, an innovative balcony micro-S. All-in-one design, 100% compatible each other. Plug and play, DIY installation in 5 minutes. Support 2,400 watt solar input for independent MPPT. Flexible stackable expansion battery. Max capacity 10.2 for kilowatt hours. Support max 800 watts on grid output. Adjust output power in real time by smart meters. Store excess solar energy for use at night. Zero feed in the grid, zero wasted energy, saving more money. Utilizing modern, safe, LFP battery chemistry, Jupiter has 6 battery protections and 90% dye. Monitor and optimize efficiency through touchscreen or app at any time. Fully sealed, dust-proof and waterproof design. No noise, efficient passive cooling design, extended lifespan. Ultra-low temperature operating.